Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Study with Arpita, and this is the course on building the data warehouse. So for this we'll be referring the book written by W.H. Inmon, and if you'd like to refer this book, the link for this book will be there right in the description below. We'll cover each and every chapter theoretically, and once we are done with the theory part, we will come further to how this can be implemented in real life, the code, and further so on. So I'll take simple diagrams and animations which are required for you to understand this problem solving of data warehouse, and you can have a very keen understanding by the end of this course. So let's get started from the next chapter, that is the first lesson, and this would be a basic introduction of how my course would be. I would just take the textbook as an example or as the base for our teaching. I will teach in the form of PPTs, and I'll use some images so that you can understand clearly. At the same time, where you need a clear understanding of how the flow goes, I might show you some graphs in the middle that I have made for my own understanding. So data warehouse is such an easy subject, and you'll realize that by the end of this course. So happy learning guys, bye and see you in my next video, and there we shall be starting our first chapter of data warehouse, which is evolution of decision support system. Till then, take care, see you, and bye bye, and make sure you subscribe, like, and give me suggestions of what videos you'd like or what courses you'd like to know or learn in the further coming courses. Thank you so much. Bye bye.